Just picked up this 1986 Volvo DL, fully loaded with leather. Thankfully, it is a California car though, so it's pretty rust-free. Not a lot of rust on it. We're gonna see if we can get it running. Doesn't run, leaks oil like the drain plugs out of it. Does come with side skylights. We're gonna get it going though. Got the new distributor. Went to the junkyard. 30 bucks, way cheaper. Some cheap. Just got the Volvo running. It's first drive out of my backyard since I got it. I am driving it an hour away right now with no testing. The battery light is on, so I don't know if it's charging. I think it is because all the other lights are on. My phone's about to die. I don't have my truck and trailer even available if I want to. No one's with me. We're gonna see how it goes. I think this is gonna be fine. I think there's gas in it. It said full a second ago, but now it's going to 3/4 of a tank. Don't really know, but I'm gonna cut the video short because my phone's about to die, so wish me luck. Volvo's running strong. It's made it the whole way, honestly, with no problems. The lights on the dash solved themselves, they went away. The oil leaks are partially there, but not that bad. Yeah, it's actually doing really good. It's a solid little car for, what, 350 bucks I've into it now? Action. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of body work on the old Volvo. We're going to do some rust repair. We're going to kind of explain the right way to do rust repair on these old cars. It's not that hard. It's pretty straightforward. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and get to it. Making good progress. Got the first cut. Working on these technical ones. Easy. She's a classic, okay? We're doing rust repair. It's happening. What happened? Barely nicked it with the grinder, and I walked away, and about a couple seconds later, it just
it froze.
Self-tinted.
It froze instantly. Instant froze. We're getting somewhere. I don't know where, but we're getting somewhere. Just use the angle grinder.
Alright guys, we just got done with all the rust repair. You got to start off by removing the rust, and that's what we did. So truck.
What is this guy doing?
Drift machine.
Took the camper shell off the old Volvo. She's a truck now. Clean.
So we cut the roof off the Volvo. Almost said Mercedes for a second. It's going pretty well. Honestly, it's getting a lot of looks. Way more looks than I thought it was going to get. It's pretty cool. We're going to go finish welding like a structural roll cage, if you want to call it. I don't know. I'm just worried about it kind of bending. I might weld the door shut to kind of help with that. I got my dog with me. But yeah. Just driving down to my only car I got right now. We gotta be quiet because I stole someone's power steering fluid. It's a little low. We're gonna add to the car. We're fixing it. We're stealing parts right now, so we gotta be kind of quiet. But yeah, this is how you want to keep costs down. If you keep the costs down, you can steal parts from other people. It's way cheaper. Volvo is getting sold. Started trucking it. But now we're gonna use this to fund the Samurai and the Bug. So goodbye, Volvo. It was fun for about a week. Yeah.